Okay, let's jump right into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're going to take a really analytical, data-driven look at an incredibly specific piece of culinary source material. We're unpacking a highly anticipated, seemingly simple baking guide from a channel called 𝗜lich𝗴𝗿𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗶. Now, according to its pretty extensive title, we are promised a keto yogurt cake recipe. And not just any cake, right? One that requires only 3 ingredients. It boasts about being a keto diet staple, low-carb, sugar-free, and it really heavily emphasizes that low-carb yogurt lifestyle. If you're a focused learner looking to, optimize your dietary baking with a quick, healthy dessert, this title is absolutely engineered to grab your attention. But as we're going to see as we deconstruct this material today, what we're promised and what actually gets delivered is a fascinating study in contrasts.
Because when we look directly at the raw transcript of the source material, the actual spoken content that's supposed to be guiding us through this 3-ingredient keto cake, we immediately hit a wall of absolute, jarring whiplash. Instead of measuring cups, baking times, or literally any mention of yogurt, the transcript launches into this frantic, almost hypnotic loop. It starts with a totally standard request. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Okay, normal enough. But then we get this. Heat, 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 up here, heat, up here, heat, 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 up here, heat, 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 up here, heat. We came here looking for culinary guidance, and instead we found something that honestly reads like a glitch in the Matrix.
So notice the stark, just completely unignorable contrast here between the metadata and the actual data. On one hand, we have the promise, a sugar-free 3-ingredient low-carb keto cake. That sets a very specific expectation of process, of mixing, of baking. But then look at the actual extraction on the other side. When we filter this source transcript for actual culinary instruction, we find absolutely 0 ingredients mentioned. No eggs, no sweetener, and for sure no yogurt. Plus, there are 0 actual baking steps. There's literally no instruction on what temperature to set your oven to or how long to bake anything. Instead, the entire recipe is just replaced by a single aggressive thermal concept. Lots and lots of heat.
So let's look at the structural framing of this. Section 1, the subscribe sandwich.
Notice how the creator perfectly bookends this highly unusual culinary experience. The transcript opens with, "Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates." Right? Then, immediately after that whole barrage of the word heat, the entire experience concludes with, "And don't forget to subscribe for more videos." These 2 identical pleas for engagement form the top and bottom bread of our sandwich. The creator has built this perfectly symmetrical wrapper of self-promotion completely around the actual content. It's honestly a masterclass in engagement farming, but it's totally isolated from any actual baking instruction.
Moving on to Section 2, the heat anomaly. Let's talk about these repetitive commands.
14. I just want to let that number sink in for a second. In a transcript that is only a few dozen words long total, the word heat is uttered exactly 14 times. It is relentless. It completely overtakes the audio track of the source material. It's not an instruction anymore. It's practically a chant. In the time it would normally take a baking instructor to tell you to, crack an egg and measure out some almond flour, 𝗜lich𝗴𝗿𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗶 has instead forcefully demanded heat 14 separate times.
And the sheer absurdity of this really comes to light when we break it down visually. Looking at the word frequency of the entire source transcript, we have some deadpan, hard data here. The portion representing requests to subscribe and get updates, well, that makes up 23 words. The portion entirely dedicated to saying heat or heat up here makes up 21 words. And that non-existent sliver, the 0%, that represents the actual recipe ingredients. A title claiming a very specific 3-ingredient diet cake yields a linguistic breakdown where the cake mathematically just doesn't exist.
If we meticulously break down the exact variations of this command, the data honestly gets even stranger. The pure, unadulterated word heat is fired off 10 separate times. Then we have a directional variation, heat up here, which is utilized 4 times. And bringing up the rear, anchoring that structural sandwich we discussed earlier, is the word subscribe at just 2 times. The data shows this clear, overwhelming prioritization of generalized thermal energy over audience engagement, and just a total, outright rejection of actual cake.
Which brings us to the spatial mystery introduced by this specific forward phrase, heat up here. It begs so many critical questions of the source material. What exactly is being heated? Since there are no ingredients, there's no batter. So is it the oven? Is it an empty pan? And perhaps more importantly, where is here in the context of a yogurt cake? Is here the kitchen? Is it some sort of metaphysical state of keto baking? The creator provides absolutely no context, leaving the focused learner totally stranded in this geographical and culinary void,
armed with absolutely nothing but heat.
Let's wrap this up. Section 3. The Missing Cake Conclusion. Final takeaways.
So, the absolutely crucial point here is this final, ultimate irony. We began with the promise, a sugar-free, low-carb, keto yogurt cake requiring only 3 ingredients from Siblings Food Hunter. A focused, efficient dietary solution. But the reality is that the user received nothing more than a glitchy, repetitive loop of thermal instructions wrapped in a desperate plea for channel subscriptions. The source material fundamentally collapses under its own metadata, offering a pretty hilarious masterclass in exactly what not to do if you actually want to teach someone how to bake.
Which leaves us with this final, provocative thought to take away from today's explainer. Based purely on the hard evidence of the transcript we reviewed, we are left to ponder the ultimate mystery of the Siblings Food Hunter. If the heat is indeed up here, where on earth is the cake? And after all of that, are you actually going to subscribe? Thanks for joining me for this explainer. I really hope this deep dive brought a little bit of structure to the absolute chaos of our source material today. Keep learning, keep questioning, and I'll catch you next time.